Hi everyone, welcome back once again in this Flutter GetX tutorial series, and we have already seen all the functionalities related with our GetX in our previous videos, from navigation to using utilities. And in the last video we have seen how to hit APIs and use the response to update our UI with the help of login example. So from this video, we will be talking about MVVM pattern with the help of GetX, because in so many companies, and if your project is large, then it is very easy to make a record of what files and screens you are making with the help of MVVM. Working on a small project, working on a small project, we never get to understand that how MVVM will be important for us. But if our project is a very large project, then MVVM plays a vital role for developers. So let's suppose vital role for the developers. And if you are using MVVM pattern, then it is very easy to understand your code. If you will come back again after 2 or 3 months, it is actually very easy to understand, because in MVVM your UI part will be separated and your logical part, means your functionalities and all, will be different, and your repository will be different. As the name is also suggesting, it is Model-View-ViewModel. So in this image you can see, as a user we are requesting through UI or view. It is user interaction. Let's suppose we press on some button. So this is the thing, and this button is connected with the controller, which will record our interaction. Let's suppose if we are tapping on button, then we were passing all the parameters like login, user ID and password. So this controller will send this request data to this model, and this model is connected to our database, and this database will provide the response to this model, and again this model will provide the data to this controller, and again with the help of controller we will be able to update our view, and user will be able to see the respective UI changes. So these all we will see in our upcoming videos. So these are the things we will see while creating separate folders, so that we will separate our UI from our logical part. So from this video we will start with scratch by creating new project. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the code right after this intro.
So let's open our Android Studio. So this was my previous project. Let's create new Flutter project. Click on next. Give the name MVVM project GetX. I'm selecting these two, Android and iOS. Let's click create. So our new project has been created. Let's go to pubspec YAML file. Here need to add some package. So let's go to pubdev, and first of all we need to add package for GetX. Let's type here get, and this is the package. This is the official GetX package. Copy this. Just below this Cupertino, paste it here. So it will provide all the GetX functionalities, utilities, and whatever we have seen in our previous video. This is all because of this package. Now we will select some other package which we will use in this project. Another package we will use shared preference. So that's it in this video. In the next part we will see how to
And for hitting
handle
API,
exceptions.
we'll use
This video will be
HTTP
too
package.
long. I'll create short videos and we'll see different kind of things related with MVVM and GetX. Hope you like the
Lastly,
video.
we will
If you
use
like, then
one more
please
package,
subscribe to my channel,
which is
and I'll see you in the
FlutterToast.
next one. Bye for now.
This one, this message, this package we will use for showing message, like if we got success and if we are receiving any failure or error, then we will show with the help of this toast message. Now let's click on this pub-get and let's install this package in our project. So after this we will create our folder structure. So let's go to this lib and we will create directories. This is Model-View-ViewModel pattern we will use. So first I'll create one directory for view. This view will contain all the UI code. This is models. Here we will create our all the models, and as we know that model is a kind of container which creates link between API database. This will be our view model. This view model will contain all the backend code like API hitting and all. Now let's create one more directory. This is data. Here we will use our HTTP package, get, put, post kind of APIs, and from here we will call in this view model for sending and receiving data from server. One resource directory I'll create. Here we will put our important string which can be used many times in our project, so that redundancy of the data will be reduced, like colors, button style and all. And this is utils. In this directory we will use utility functions which are being used several times in our project, so that we can reduce the redundancy of the code. So till now what we have done, we have installed the required packages in our project and we have created the directory. Inside this we will create dart file and will start coding. After all this, try to run the project. It will take some time because for the first time we will run our project and it will be like demo application, that counter app will be there.